Okay, so this is the back of the computer. Everything is like compact, so you can't really open it from the front. And yeah, the ribbon cable was attached to this part of the computer, but it's been ripped, and so there's not really much I can do with that. But anyways, or you can buy a new ribbon cable. Anyways, yeah, and here's the motherboard, which the ribbon cable connected to some place. I think it was connected. What the heck am I supposed to? Why'd you rip? Anyways, it was connected here. Let me focus. Am I recording upside down? And let's just show each component.
Okay, press my left, please. Go. I need to get them before they get me. And you press the left.
So yeah, I hope that's enough. Information.
Yeah, me too.
And the place where the ribbon was connected, like it was, I don't know if it's broken, but now I can do this. I can move it. Wait, sorry. I can move it now.
You can move it before.
No. So maybe that's the switch. I don't know. Yeah.
Are you sure that's not to lock it?